Do you feel learning English is boring? Or you keep telling yourself that I don't have time to learn English, but keep saying I will start tomorrow or next week or next month, and that day never comes. Or you don't know how to practice. If you are like this, then this video is perfect for you. Hi, my name is Vineeta, and in today's video I have 3 interesting techniques that will make your English learning journey faster, easier and so much interesting. So let's start. First technique is describe a picture. One of the best ways to improve your speaking English is by describing a picture. You can take any picture from internet or from your gallery and then make 8 to 10 sentences about that picture. You can create more sentences, but 8 to 10 is a good number. For your better understanding, I will describe one picture in this video so that you can get some idea. On my screen, you can see one picture. I will make some sentences about it, and also I will tell you how I am creating sentences. First, see this picture carefully and start with what you see overall. I can see a family is sitting at a dining table. This is one sentence. A family is sitting at a dining table. Second sentence we can make, talk about number of people. There are 4 people in the picture. And now next, describe their expressions and emotions. What you can see here, they look happy and are smiling. And now next, talk about the people in the picture. The 2 children are sitting with their parents. What else you can see here? There is a food on the table. This looks like a happy family meal. Now you can talk about something in detail. For example, this meal looks fresh and healthy. And if you want to talk more, you can describe surroundings. I can see the room is bright and has big windows. So I have given you 8 sentences about this particular picture. Likewise, you can make sentences. This way you can describe first overall what you can see, then talk about specific details. Now next technique is jam, just a minute. Again, it is a great technique to improve your speaking English. And the idea is simple here. You have to speak for 1 full minute. You can approach this method by following 2 ways. One is either you can speak spontaneously, like talk about anything without even giving a second thought, or second, you can think for a few minutes, 1 or 2 minutes, or if you want, you can write your thoughts so that you can organize your thoughts properly and then speak for a minute. You can follow any approach, both will work fine. And now you can either talk about any topic or any conversation or anything in your surrounding. For this video purpose, I have given you some good topics. They are interesting and open-ended topic. You will have a lot of content to talk about. So these are 8 topics. You can pick any one and talk about for 1 minute. For your better understanding, I will explain about one topic here for 1 minute so that you can get clarity. Here for this video purpose, I am picking one topic. That topic is life without internet. I will talk about it for 1 minute. So let's start. Life without internet would be very different. Many things would slow down. For example, people would read newspaper to get news. They would read books to gain knowledge and get information, and connect with people live, not virtually. And there would be some challenges too without internet. For example, our work or studies would become harder, and reaching out to people immediately would be impossible. And the jobs that are dependent on internet would totally shut down. But there is a bright side to it. In life without internet, people would spend less time on screens and more times outdoors and connecting with people, connecting with nature, and connecting with themselves. And after that, our mental health problems might improve a lot, because here we would not compare our lives from others like usually we do nowadays by checking on social media, as we won't be able to use social media, so no distractions will be there. We would live a peaceful life without internet when it comes to dealing with mental health issues. So without internet, we would feel more connected from ourselves and from our surroundings. So this was my opinion. I tried to talk for 1 minute. Likewise, you can pick any topic or anything and talk for 1 minute. Now, third technique, that is 2 minutes rule. I read a book, Atomic Habits. It's a very famous book, and in that book there is a very beautiful concept that says if you are trying to do something, especially that work or task is hard or challenging and you don't feel like to do or you don't want to do at all, but it is important for you, then what you can do, you can start by doing it for 2 minutes only. Once you are comfortable with that, then you can increase the time. If you feel learning English is a task or it's tough for you, so you can implement the same method for your English. You can start anything for 2 minutes. 2 minutes reading, writing, listening, speaking. In this video, my focus is on speaking mainly. That's where many people do struggle. So you can do 2 minutes speaking. Again, the idea is simple. You have to speak for 2 minutes. Set the timer and start speaking without worrying about pauses, mistakes or anything. Just speak anything for 2 minutes in English. And to help you about what you can talk about, I have given you these 8 topics again. These are different topics. They are open-ended and very interesting. You can pick any one or any number of topics and talk for 2 minutes. If you are comfortable, you can talk for more, but start with 2 minutes. Give yourself that challenge. Again, I will explain with the help of example. Here, for this video purpose, I am picking the topic, a surprising incident from today. I will talk about that. It is related to me. You can speak something about yourself. So let's start. Today I woke up early and after that I felt hungry. And then I thought to myself, what should I eat for breakfast? I didn't want to eat anything heavy, so I decided to make something light, like a sandwich. Then I went to kitchen, opened my fridge and checked. There was no bread and no milk. So I decided to visit a nearby grocery store to buy all those items. But before leaving, I list down all the items that I needed to buy from the grocery store. After that, I grabbed my phone and wallet and left for the store. When I got into the store, I checked. There was no crowd as such, so I could easily pick all the items in my list. While walking through aisles, a woman came up to me and started talking. She looked friendly, but I couldn't recognize her. She smiled and asked, "Do you live in the society?" I told her, "Yes." Then she said she had moved to this society few days ago. Now she is meeting people just to build connections. And also I got to know she is new to the city. We both talked for few minutes, and after that she started telling me how she is settling in the city. After a few minutes, we said goodbye to each other. She thanked me for talking and I wished her good luck with her new life in the city. After that, I finished my shopping. I paid at the counter and came back home. Finally, I made a sandwich for myself and I felt happy after that. So that was my experience for today. You can share your experience or you can talk about any topic that I have given to you or anything for 2 minutes. So these were 3 techniques from my side. They worked really well for me and I hope they will work for you as well. Try all of them and let me know which one do you find really interesting. And thank you so much for watching this video till end.